talus. Talus. So, mali siya talus. Talus. Partial torso. Okay. So, with regards to the talus, how we know is anterior and posterior. Ato lang yung anterior, posterior ha. So, anterior means in front, posterior. So, if you're going to look at here, asay mas gamay. This portion here. So, muna anterior. Mas dako, posterior. Here. Back. Which is superior and inferior. Try to look at the one. If convex siya, bawa si convex, di ba? So, muna superior. Paana nga ni hollow, more concave, so that would be now inferior. Superior na siya. Medial lateral, to try to look at here, this is the head. More siya na that side, mo na ang medial. Try to look also at the shapes and facet on the sides. Kung kama gani, kama, that is medial. So, medial ni siya. Na? Right here. Yeah. Okay. Parts. Okay, first, let's discuss this one. So, here, this portion, you now have the head. Kani siya nga portion, you have the neck. This one, the neck. And this would now be the body of the talus. Anteriorly, you have presence of facet. We call that facet for the navicular bone. Okay. Then, superiorly, you have again facet, that was the body. So, that is facet for the tibia and the fibula. Ayan. Okay. Medially, you have again a facet. So, there's facet for the medial malleolus. Okay. Laterally, you have now the facet, and that is the facet for the lateral malleolus. Okay, inferiorly. Inferiorly, you have three facets there for the calcaneus. So, this one, that would now be the anterior articular facet for the calcaneus. This would now be the middle articular facet for the calcaneus. This one would be now the posterior articular facet for the calcaneus. So, anterior, middle, posterior. And between the middle and the posterior, you have presence of a groove. So, we call that groove now as your sulcus tali. Okay, sulcus tali. Yeah? Okay. So, after which, you proceed now to the calcaneus. Ano na siya? Calcaneus. Ano siya? So, ano siya? Calcaneus. Okay. How do you know it's anterior posterior? Observe if we have the presence of facet. Facet. Compared here, wala man. So, mani anterior, kani posterior. Okay, which is superior and inferior. We observe na lang if you have the presence of the facet, that would be superior. Remember, tubercles or siya, that would be inferior. Okay, so, anterior, superior, inferior. Medial lateral. So, asa to more ni extend further. Ano siya, like this one. So, this would be medial, this would be lateral. Ano? Okay, parts. Okay, parts. Anteriorly, you have the articular facet for the cuboid. Articular facet for the cuboid. Okay. Then superiorly, you have three facets. Okay, one, you have the anterior articular facet for the talus. And this one would be the middle facet for the talus. Then this one would be the posterior articular facet for the talus. So again, anterior, middle, and posterior. Middle, posterior. Between the middle posterior articular facet for the talus, you have presence of a groove, and we call that groove na as your sulcus calcaneus. Sulcus calcaneus. Okay. Next. Medial side, you have this one protrude extend further medially. So we call that part now as your sustentaculum tali. tentaculum pallid. And on the lateral protrude, we call it your peroneal tubercle. Peroneal tubercle. Okay, posteriorly, we have the presence of this ridge, and we call that now your transverse ridge. A transverse ridge. Okay. Then inferiorly, you have these 3 tubercles. So one that is more found anterior, so you have your anterior tubercle. Then 2 posteriorly, 1 on the medial side, so because your medial tubercle. The other one, the lateral, you have your lateral tubercle. So medial lateral tubercle. Okay? So there. Okay, next. Okay. Further anterior to your talus, this bone, you now have your navicular bone. Ano siya? Navicular bone. And here, on this part, when I protrude there, you have the tuberosity of the navicular bone. Tuberosity. Then anterior to your navicular bone, this one, you now have the medial cuneiform. The medial cuneiform. Then, lateral to your medial, you have the middle cuneiform. Further lateral to your middle, you have the lateral cuneiform. And further lateral to your lateral cuneiform, you have the cuboid. Or in front of the calcaneus, you now have the cuboid. Here. Parts of the cuboid, as I mentioned, you have a certain groove here below. And we call that groove now as the inferior groove for the peroneus longus tendon muscle. Groove for the peroneus longus tendon muscle. Okay. I forgot to mention that this one. Okay. Between your sulcus tali and sulcus calcaneus, groove mo na siya. Kung sumpay na ngayon ng duha, yun na presence of a certain tunnel. So we call that now, kani siya nga portion, tunnel naman siya, as your tarsal canal, or somewhat of tarsal tunnel, or your sino tarsi there. Okay, okay, next, further in front of the tarsal bone, you have the metatarsal bone. So here, near to the tarsals, you have the base. So again, this would be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth metatarsal bone. So you have the base, shaft, head. Base, shaft, head, base, shaft, head, base, shaft, head, base, shaft, head. Inferior to the head of the first metatarsal, you have these 2 bones, and we call your sesamoid bones. The medial and lateral sesamoid bone. Okay. Then also at the near the base of the 5th metatarsal bone, na further mo extend, and we call that bone now as your tuberosity of the 5th metatarsal bone. Tuberosity of the 5th metatarsal bone. Okay. So next, after the metatarsal, you now have the proximal phalanges. Same yapon, you have the base, shaft, head, base, shaft, head, base, shaft, head, base, shaft, head, base, shaft, head. Then this in front of your proximal phalanges, sa lateral fortos, you still have your middle phalanges. So base, shaft, head, base, shaft, head, base, shaft, head, yapon. Then distal mo yapon, base, shaft, head. Even sa big toe or great toe, so you have base, shaft, head. Okay, clear? Okay, let's proceed to the joints. Okay. Between your acetabulum and your joint or your coxofemoral joint. Nakalimutan. So you now have here. Is the base. So if ever more straight na siya, so that would be the base, the superior portion. So base of the patella niya. Height guys, so that would be the apex. Then behind that, behind, halimbawa mo, kani siya, protruded mo siya, so anterior siya. Behind your pussy, muflatin siya, you have now the facet. So these are the facet for the femoral condyles. Facet for the femoral condyles. joint. And within the femur, there, kaninga joint, you now have your tibiofemoral joint. Tibiofemoral joint. Okay, so that's the right. Between the femur and the patellofemoral joint. Okay. Between the tibia and the fibula, you have your one that is other one is inferior or distal tibiofibular. Superior, proximal, inferior or distal tibiofibular joint. Next, okay, between your tibia fibula crural joint. Talocrural joint. And then within your talus and your calcaneus, call that joint now as your talocalcaneal joint or subtalar joint. Talocalcaneal or subtalar joint. Okay. Then between your talus and your navicular, call that your talonavicular joint. Talonavicular. Between your cuboid, calcaneus and your cuboid, so you have your calcaneocuboid joint. Calcaneocuboid joint. Okay. Between your navicular and your cuneiform, so you have your conionavicular joint. Okay. Between your cuboid and your lateral cuneiform, we call that joint. Okay, between the cuneiforms, you have your intercuneiform joint. Then between your lateral cuneiform and your cuboid, you have your coniocuboidal joint. Your coniocuboidal joint. Between your navicular bone and your cuboid, so you have your cuboidionavicular joint. And next, here between your tarsal bones and metatarsal, you now have the tarsometatarsal bone. You have the first, second, third, fourth, fifth tarsometatarsal. And further here, you now have the metatarsophalangeal joint. First, second, third, fourth, fifth yapan. Then after your metatarsal, you have the interphalangeal joint. So here, mas proximal siya. So proximal interphalangeal joint. Then this one would be your distal interphalangeal joint sa lateral toes. Then sa big toe, you now just have your interphalangeal joint. Interphalangeal joint. Then, okay, let's proceed now to the ligaments. Okay, ligament. Okay, so here, ligament from your ilium. So, ilium man siya. So, it goes to your femur, more ligament or Y ligament of Vigilo. Iliofemoral ligament. Then, this one from your pubis. So, you have your pubofemoral ligament. And then, here from your ischium, you have your ischiofemoral ligament. Then, next, this one. Okay, so here, below sa imong patella, you now have your ligamentum patellae, or patellar ligament. Okay, at the sides, you have your collateral. So here's the medial. So you got your medial collateral ligament of the knee joint, or your tibial collateral ligament. Then here's the lateral side, you have the lateral collateral ligament of the knee joint or fibular collateral ligament. Ano? Okay, here if you have seen here at the back, so kani siya mo cross, so posterior mo siya na-locate, so that would be your posterior cruciate ligament. And kana siya party na lang, kinakapunan mo sa posterior, you now have your anterior cruciate ligament. anterior cruciate ligament. Okay, if you're going to look at here, na sandwich between your femoral and tibial condyle, diba? Sandwich siya. Nasa tunga. So those are now your meniscus. So this would be your medial meniscus. This would now be your lateral meniscus. Okay? Questions? Then, chart.